Alrighty students, this is an introduction on how to navigate the modules. So when you get into Blackboard, the first thing you see are the announcements. So any announcements that I've made will show up here. And the modules are down here. Remember, the class modules are your homework assignments, and then the class notes, videos, and PowerPoints are the classwork. So for this, we're going to go to the class modules. And we will see where it says the name of the module and the dates. So this is the date of the module and when everything is due. Let's click on it. You'll see the objectives for every unit or every module. Now there's two ways you can navigate these modules. You could click on the words in the table of contents, or you could click on the arrow to go back and forth on the modules. It reads like a book. The next thing you will see is your checklist. The checklist just shows all the items and assignments that are due for this module and when they're due. So certain things are due on the 29th, and some are due the 28th, and it shows the point values and point distribution. So for this first module, you'll see there's some information. Usually for every module there are instructions, and anything that is hyperlinked that is underlined is hyperlinked, which indicates that it's going to an online resource. Anything that's blue where it says attached files are actually attachments that you can click on and open. So if I wanted to look at the orientation PDF, I can click on it, and it would show me that PowerPoint that I would need for my first quiz. I can print these PowerPoints out if I want, or I can use them on the screen. So if I look over at my next thing, anytime you see something that says online quiz, where it says click to launch, that is how you get to the actual quiz. Quizzes are always open notes. There are no time limits for the quizzes, and usually you can take them at least 2 times. I take the highest of the 2 scores. This talks about the Flipgrid activity. So remember, there's a hyperlink here, which means that is the website I would be going to. And it would show me that website and whatever the activity is for that. I'm going to go back now. I can go to the next page. Again, you'll see the instructions here, what I'm expecting of it. Anything that's underlined is a hyperlink. And so in this case, I want you to look at some videos, and the information from these videos will show up in your discussion board and on your quiz. This indicates that there is a quiz here. I will click on click to launch to do the quiz. This indicates that there's a discussion board. Again, I can click on the discussion tabs, or I can actually click on the word discussions here. And this shows the introduction for the actual discussion.